Today I am going to unbox and install this Apeman camera C880 in my daughter's car. I already have the one in my truck that's from Apeman and I've had zero issues with it, so I figured I'd try and get the same one for her vehicle. So if you're interested, stick around. All right, let's open this puppy up. All right, so this is how it came to me. Well, actually, it was packed a lot nicer, but this is what it looks like when you open it up. It says hello. Very first thing I see says hello. I would like to thank you for choosing Apeman's products. So, and then it says, please share your experience on Amazon. So I think I will. User's manual and ooh, this is the full. Okay, it's like it's got the camera in the back and the camera in the front all in one. Takes a micro SD. Looks like it's very nicely packaged. And then this has the accessories in it. Now let's see what we got for accessories. I would imagine a cord. Okay, we got a cord with USB. We got the bracket to install it. I don't know what that's for. Maybe to move the roofing or put the power cord in. All right, here's the cigarette charger and the power cord. So this evidently must be to remove items, you know, to download the video. And this is so you can plug it in. So we're good to go. I think we got everything we need. So next step is putting it in the car. That's some kind of pin, I think, to reset it. So we'll see you in the car. All right, so I opened it up, and now today I'm gonna install it in my daughter's car. I put one of those new memory chips in, and I'm gonna put this in and make sure it's working. And then after a while, I'll do a review a little bit later on down the road so that you can see how it worked. So here we go. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is figure out where we're gonna mount it with the suction cup. So the suction cup comes with a, I wonder if it's, yeah, it's got a clear cover on it. So take that off. That's trash. And then look where the mount is on the camera mount. Is on the top. This is the front of it, and that's the back camera. So I'm gonna mount this up, hopefully. See if I can get it to slide in there. And there we go. And I had a request from my daughter to try not to block too much of her vision, but the back camera has to see what's out back. So lick it, whoa, and break it. Let me lick it and stick it right about, I don't know, it might block her view a little bit. Let me get it loose here. Ooh, it sticks good. That's for damn sure. Get it up here a little bit more and then lock it. All right, so we have that there. And then we have the power cord that I think mounts on the side. Which side? Oh, this side. So we're gonna put it right there. She's gonna complain. I already know that it's in her way. And eventually I had to figure out how to put this in and not be so obtrusive, but the plug is way down in there. So we will put it here and see if we can get this thing to come on. See if, okay, so the power is on. It says format SD card, and it's not touchscreen. So let me get the instructions out. The good old instructions. So I appreciate everybody watching. So the buttons are 8, 9, and 10. 8 is power on off. 9 is menu button. 11 is down. 12 is the OK. So the bottom one is OK. Just making sure. Okay, it says. All right. So 8 is power, 9 and 10, 9 and 11 are up and down. So I would say that these two on the side here. So I moved it to confirm and now I hit OK. So it's formatting the brand new SD card. And there we go. There you go. And now it's working. I'll just peel this little thing up. And I'm going to clean up the cord a little bit. But other than that, you see how it works. Hopefully you find this helpful. And again, this is a less expensive option in the dash cam arena. So anyways, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.